friends, this is Amruta from Food Chemistry. Today I am going to teach you a very quick and easy recipe for breakfast. So that is the brown bread veg mayo sandwich. So you require very basic ingredients for this recipe. I have taken one small onion, medium size chop, one tomato, medium size chop. I have taken the brown bread and you can take your wish of bread. It is not mandatory, but I prefer brown bread, so I have taken it. And ghee. So you don't have to worry that you should need a sandwich maker or something like that. I will teach you in the pan itself. And I have taken 2 flavors of mayonnaise sauces. So this is the veg mayo tandoori flavor, and this is the veg mayonnaise, which is known as original flavor. So we will just let's get started. I have taken the tomatoes and onions into this bowl, and now it's time to put a little basic masalas. So I will be taking half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of chili powder. Now I will take mayonnaise. So the veg mayonnaise, which is of original flavor. I'm also mixing a little bit of tandoori mayonnaise. Just mix all the ingredients well. You can see I have mixed all the ingredients in a proper manner. Now it's time to do the dressing. So you can just take 1 full tablespoon and arrange it on your bread. Once you have done with the dressing, you can now take the another slice of bread, for which you can apply the ghee. I am using desi ghee here. So just cover all the sides of your brown bread. It will give you very nice flavoring. It's time to cook our sandwich. So we will start with the desi ghee. Let it get heated up for some time. Arrange the sandwich over this. You can now keep the gas flame on medium. By the time the bread gets cooked from the bottom, you can simultaneously put the ghee over the top portion. After flipping the sandwich, you can see how brown and nice color it has given. Let it cook for some more time and the sandwich will be almost ready. Simultaneously, I will also teach you today how to prepare jaggery tea. So as jaggery is very healthy instead of sugar, so I will be teaching you the jaggery tea. So let's start with that recipe also. So the sandwich is almost ready now, and it will be served nicely with the jaggery tea. I will now tell you about the preparation of jaggery tea. So I have taken full cream milk. You can take your choice of milk. It's 1 cup milk. This is the grated jaggery powder. This is the tea leaves. So this is red label tea leaves I have used. A small piece of ginger. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip it. Let's start with the tea preparation. Put the milk into the container. You can add little bit of water. I'm adding very little amount of water. It's now time to put the tea leaves. So almost 3 small tablespoons of tea leaves I have put into the tea. Let it boil for some time. You can see the color of the tea. It has turned nice orange. I have the ginger, so you can put. It will give you a nice flavoring. let the ginger boil into the tea, and in the last we are going to put the jaggery powder so that the milk doesn't tore up or something like that won't be happening. So you don't worry, just remember a tip: you have to put the jaggery powder at the end of the tea process. Jaggery powder I am putting. Let the jaggery powder cook for some time and our tea will be almost ready. So friends, my veg mayo sandwich, which is made up of brown bread, is ready for the breakfast, and the jaggery tea, you can see it's looking very nice. I can't wait to have this. You can check out my channel for more healthy recipes. Thank you.